Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2021 GMC Yukon XL Denali in Onyx Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 10.2-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, rear entertainment screens, power sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number P7050A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.